mountains, I was headed for Estes when the roads turned to ice and it started to snow. Put on the chains in a whirl of white powder, halfway up to Berthoud, near a diner I know, and the lights burned inside, shining down through the snowfall. God, it was cold, and the temperature dropping. Went in for coffee, and I shivered as I drank it, warming my hands in the steam as it rose. Sitting there at the counter was a dark-headed stranger, me and the owner and him keeping warm. Went in for coffee and I shivered as I drank it, warming my hands in the steam as it rose. And yes, said the owner, there's a big storm on the mountain. Good thing we're open, we could be here for hours. There's nothing for miles and it's too late to get to Denver. Better not try for the summit tonight. And the snow and the night passed, and I talked to the stranger while the blizzard blew. Me and the stranger, no, I don't talk to strangers. I'm a private sort of person, but a blizzard is a blizzard, and somehow I found myself saying you'd left me, telling him everything I wanted to say to you. You know how it is when you can talk to a stranger, someone you're quite sure you'll never see again. Said we were laughing and talking and drinking. He said you must know you're too good for him. And the snow fell and the night passed, and I talked to the strangers while the blizzard blew. The stranger said, love, it can cry you a river. Me, I'm a loner 'cause I can't take the heartache. And sometimes I'm a fighter when I get too much whiskey. Here, have a little whiskey. Pretend you don't give a damn. My cabin's up here on the side of the mountain. You can go up there and sleep through the blizzard. I put on my parka, said goodbye to the owner, followed the stranger through the snow, up the mountain's Woke in the morning to the sun on the snow. My car was buried in 6 feet of snowdrift. They dug me up, just the owner and the stranger sent me on my way. When the snow flowing went by and the roads were all clear and the sun on the mountains sparkled like diamonds on the peak-to-peak highway.